Hey guys, I headed to Target to scope out healthy new food finds, and boy did I find a lot. Here's the skinny. These chips look great. They're made with chickpeas and have 3 grams of protein per serving. Okay, these I've had before a lot, and I love them. Total cravings crusher. They come refrigerated, but I like to eat them at room temperature. I can't wait to try this one. The noodles are made with zucchini and lentils, and there's just 160 calories per serving. Ready-to-eat chicken is great for last-minute meals, and I just know this is going to be so good over salad or even mixed with those saucy veggie noodles. This is just a new flavor of a product I really enjoy. 13 grams of protein per serving. These veggie stuffed pockets look like such a smart snack option. Each one has 180 calories and 6 grams of protein. I'm not gonna lie, I devoured these as soon as I got home from my haul, and they are fantastic. So flavorful and so satisfying. This brand makes amazing low sugar candy, and here's a new find from them. Only 1 gram of sugar per bag. Okay, these didn't even make it into my pantry. I ate them immediately, and they are the best. Crunchy, freeze-dried fruit with a nice thick layer of dark chocolate. Follow for more healthy food finds and to see what I try next.